Oh. It's raining. It's raining. It's like 6 degrees out. This is a little different compared to last weekend. I was expecting some more snow, but I guess that's not how it works. Yeah, it's raining out. All right, get today started. I didn't bring, yeah, I did. I did bring my keys. Might have been a bad idea to wear the Lacailles. We are off to do some more stuff to this car. A few things. What do you guys think about last video and what's gonna be today's video? More of like this vlog thing when I'm installing stuff. Like, I make tutorials for everything. It's just kind of dumb. I kind of like doing this vlogging thing about what I'm actually. Number 2, I'm gonna be doing a rate your subscribers car video. So go ahead, send me a couple photos of your cars to my email, crichter50@hotmail.com. Doesn't have to be Mazda. I encourage you, if you do not have a Mazda and you have something else, please send it, because I don't just want to do Mazdas. I want to do all the cars. So send those. But other than that, let's go ahead and enjoy the rain. I can't drive with one hand. Stopping to work real quick. Oh, she's icy. I missed my exit. Hello, I need to go to you. Got the goods. Oh yeah. Welcome to the season where none of the lights in here work. Let's get it warmed up in here. Amount of kerosene. This is great, it's cold. The drill has come back out again because we got mini LED light bars, or as I bought them thinking they were pod lights, to go on the hood. These are gonna go right here. They're going to point out to the side, drill holes up through here, and then we're going to utilize this thing. We're going to press a button and they're going to turn on. No questions asked. See, Jason's kind of comfortable with this car to the point where he doesn't even ask me to drill into things. He just does it.
He said go, and then everything cracked.
Bring the heat.
This battery's dying.
So battery is dying.
Battery. Can you hear me okay, guys? The audio on the computer just shows that it's all maxed out. Oh! We'll be right back after these short messages. Hi there. Are you like me and like being comfortable? Well, head on over to McGillRacingDivision.com and grab yourself some comfy, fresh Mazda 3 merch.
Sick light bar.
Yeah, so you just drop the bolt in here through here. Make sure your little rubber booty's on. Now you just go.
Oh, perfect! Yeah. I can hear the wind. Bring on the wind.
So anyways.
Why am I filming you?
Because... Okay, cool. Oh. Well, it's on there.
Two pods mounted. Now we gotta figure out how to run these boys. These actually kind of look okay on this, so let's go ahead and bolt these up. Trying to do some soldering for the first time in a little while. Boom. Yeah. While Jace is wiring everything up, I'm gonna look at what kind of sticker I can put on. There we go. We got another member on the switch panel. windshield lights. That boy. Ooh, the extra touch.
Not only dress up, but it's also to protect from chafing. And this is a very likely area for the wire to chafe.
Currently heading up the mountain right now to go slide these and test them out, or the lights out. Look at it. They look so funny from up here. There's like these, I feel like I'm like a firefly or something. Like I look like a firefly. Okay, so we're at the top of the mountain and it's like hella windy up here. Up there's like all blown out with snow. So Jace wants to try. Oh, he's gonna get stuck. Oh my! There you go. Stuck. Cold up here, it's not even funny. So here's the hood lights. It's so cold. It looks like a alien or something. No, it looks cool. I really like this. Holy shit! Someone's gonna die. Oh my god. No way. Okay, the Lakais were a bad idea today. I confirm bad idea.
Shows you the wind. Oh, that's deep. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at the snow drifting off. Okay, so to catch you guys up on what happened, we had a couple cars come through, get stuck. We showed them the way. Come on, buddy, you got this. Yeah!
It's like hella. We were sliding down here and my front end got stuck and it just dragged me in. So I'm a little plowed over, but we'll call that a video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Definitely a vlog. I'm liking these vlogs.
It's a lot of fun.
This is fun. Just like going out, shithousery, install a mod. We're gonna keep doing more of this. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the pod light.
Film your outro. Show them it's snowing.
Wow! Maybe light bar next. I think a light bar is supposed to be next.
I thought the light bar should have been first, but we're not gonna.
Well, the light bar is supposed to come with these, but I didn't order them. Guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace.